Good morning, everyone. Let's code today with me. It's the first day of my coding challenge to create my personal mobile app. Let's do it. So, it's 10:30 in the morning and I'm only sitting down to work on the app, which feels very real, honest, because I'm not building this full time. I still have client work. I still have bills. I still have normal things that doesn't disappear just because you decided to build a product. So today I tried to clear as much time as I could. This is not a perfect startup morning. It's just my laptop, coffee, and a few hours where I can finally focus on the app. The goal for today is not to make it beautiful. The goal is to create the project, set up the foundation, and make the idea feels real for the first time. And today I need to buy a Cursor AI. So let's see how far I can get. First step, buy a Cursor AI. Let's begin. I'm buying a Cursor AI, Cursor Pro. It's cost $21 70 cents for Europe, and yeah, let's start. I need my credit card. Okay, now I have a Cursor Pro and I have a Copilot. So connect to Slack, connect, I don't know, I don't need it. Back to any agent. I don't know how to use it, so I need a chat GPT to help me understand how should I use Cursor AI. So I'm start coding, and then maybe after some hours I make small summary what I did. See you later. So, small update. It's now 11:20 and I've spent 1 hour setting up the project. I think it's pretty good. And as always, the beginning looks less exciting than people imagined. And mostly it's a folders, configuration, navigation. The good news is the app is no longer just an idea. It exists already here. It runs, and that already feels like progress. For today, ChatGPT says me I did much more than most developer did at first day of building app, but I think it's not enough because we have only some super basic structure, and today I will continue work on the project, and I want to build maybe some first screen, not with AI design, but I want to clickable app something like that. So I could continue, and maybe we will see at the evening. I share. One more thing. I used Cursor to prepare for my to build my folder, and now I have already 70% my tokens. So I have a 272k tokens and already use 46.1k tokens. So it's very interesting, and yeah, next see you at the evening. Now it's already 8 p.m. and I finish work for today. Actually, almost all day I did the app, and it's actually impressive because I almost finished my MVP. Yeah, it's crazy, but I did all screens. I added all articles for first MVP. Yeah, I did almost all. So let's make some summary. One thing I noticed today: starting a project feels very different from continuing one. An empty project is some kind exciting, but it's also a little scary because every decision feels important. Now should I structure the folders? Am I choosing the right architecture? Should I think about scaling already? And then I caught myself doing exactly what I promised not to do: overthinking. So I stopped and asked myself, what does the app need today? Not next month, not after the 1,000 users, just today. The answer was simple: create the project, build the foundation, make the first made the first screen appear, nothing more. But I did. But I did more. Yeah. So this was the first real development day, and the result is impressive. Actually, I built a beautiful app today. I almost finished the MVP. I created all screens, but I created project. Yeah, I set up the foundation. I added the all screens, and now I have something I can build on. For me, that's important because yesterday this app was still just an idea. Today it became a real project, and the next challenge is much more interesting. Yeah, I'm very proud myself because actually I don't even thought it's easier create with AI, as I told you in first episode. Or but before you start coding, you actually should know what you actually built.